Well, hello, class of 2024. Congratulations. Meredith Duncan here, and I'm so excited to speak to you today. I understand that you selected me to be your faculty speaker, and I'm very honored and humbled by that decision. In thinking about what thoughts I should share with you, I came up with three things that are really on my heart that I will share with you very briefly. The things I thought about as I think about you guys entering the legal profession and how exciting it is that you guys have, worked so hard and accomplished such a major undertaking as graduating from law school. That is huge. So you be sure to celebrate. So the three things that I wanted to share with you are, first of all, that entering the legal profession carries with it lots of different responsibilities. I mean, you are a leader in the community. And for example, I imagine many of you will be practicing law in Texas, or at least using your law license in Texas. And it's really important for you and I, for members of the legal community here in Texas, to be very well educated about judicial races. You know that we elect our judges, and whether we agree with that or disagree with that, it is what it is for now. And what that means is that you and I and other members of the legal profession, really it's our responsibility, it's our duty to be well informed about the judicial races, not just so that you and I can make a well-informed decision, but also because people who we know, our friends, our families, people who we work with, they'll be asking us, they'll be asking you your opinion about who should I vote for? What are these judicial races? Should I just just run down the ballot? Should I really discern between candidates? And if so, can you help me do that? Well, as the saying goes, to whom much is given, much is required. And one of the things that I believe is required of us as members of the legal community is to be well educated about our judicial candidates and to be ready with an answer when people who aren't members of the legal profession, for example, ask us, and they will, about who we think they should be voting for, or what our ideas are about judicial candidates. The second thing I wanted to share with you is that as you enter the legal profession, of course, you have to pass the bar. You all will work really hard and pass the bar. And once you get that license to practice law, you should protect that with all your might. I'm sorry if you've been in my professional responsibility classes, you've heard me say that you should protect that license to practice law, that ticket. Don't you lose that. Don't forget how hard you've worked. But also, as you move into the legal profession, you'll begin to build your reputation. And sometimes your reputation is all you have to give to somebody, to bolster your position, to vouch for you. So be very deliberate as you go out and you build your reputation. Of course, I have strong opinions about what type of reputation you should be building. Be deliberate about being excellent. A reputation for excellence will get you a long way. And also, and I think sometimes this is lacking in the legal community, but you should also be kind. Practicing law, being a lawyer, and being kind are not mutually exclusive undertakings. You can do both, and you should do both, even in the face of somebody who isn't being kind to you, even with opposing counsel who's being mean, even with people who are not speaking cordially to you as you try to practice law. You should and can be kind. So build that reputation for being kind and for being excellent in all that you do. And as I said before, don't forget how hard you have worked for the right to celebrate your graduation. Don't forget how hard you have worked to earn your law degree and to pass the bar. I mean, think about all the time that you've spent, all of the things you've put on hold, the relationships that you've perhaps put to the side, the literally blood, sweat, and tears that you've expended. I know my eye is tearing. Isn't that terrible? And I'm like, making a video, and it's my allergies, I think, but maybe I'm shedding a tear as well. But the blood, sweat, and tears that you have expended in earning your degree, Don't forget about the money you spent. You've worked hard for what you have, and you make sure that from this day going forward, that you protect that with all your might and never, ever forget how hard you've worked and what you've done to get you here. And I could not, even though my allergies are interfering with my ability to say this, I couldn't be more proud of you. And I know you have a lot of family and friends who are celebrating you, and you should celebrate. This is worthy of celebration. But as you get out there and you celebrate, of course, the mom in me is going to say, be safe. But at the same time, I want you to be deliberate about building your reputation. Protect that license to practice law when you get that, and be excellent and be kind. I'll see you at commencement. Can't wait to cheer for you as you walk across that stage. Well done, you. Congratulations, class of 2024.